Our top 3 best-selling drones. Mavic 3 Pro, taking aerial photography to new heights. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro isn't just a drone, it's a powerhouse of aerial photography and cinematography. Packing a Hasselblad triple camera system, extended flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance, it redefines what's possible for creators of all levels. The crown jewel, Hasselblad camera. The heart of the Mavic 3 Pro is the stunning Hasselblad L2D20C camera. This 4/3 CMOS sensor captures breathtaking 5.1K footage at 50 fps and smooth 4K at 120 fps, ensuring cinematic detail and clarity. Hasselblad's renowned color science delivers natural tones and vibrant imagery, perfect for professional productions or personal masterpieces. Beyond the standard lens, exploring with telephoto. But the Mavic 3 Pro doesn't stop there. It boasts 2 additional telephoto lenses, offering 7x and 16x zoom equivalents. This opens up a world of creative possibilities, allowing you to capture distant subjects with stunning detail or achieve unique compression effects. Imagine zooming in on wildlife without disturbing their habitat or capturing epic landscape shots with dramatic close-ups.
It provides higher resolution and can shoot 4K 60 FPS video.
Having the tele lens is truly game-changing for me, because I think, especially while shooting wildlife, you want to try to capture the most authentic moments. So being able to film from a safe distance is really an amazing feature.
The third camera is a new 70mm medium tele that supports 3 times optical zoom, up to 48 megapixel resolution, and can shoot 4K 60 FPS and D-Log-M video.
The new 3 times tele lens is super helpful when you're trying to shoot in these urban environments, because you can't always get super close to your subject. So it lets you just punch in and shoot from a bit farther back, so you're not disturbing anyone. And it also lets you shoot with more compression, so those backgrounds look a lot bigger and more dramatic, and you get more parallax.
For aspiring aerial enthusiasts seeking an easy-to-fly and budget-friendly drone, the Penic Atom SE soars as a compelling option. Let's unpack its features and see if it fits your aerial ambitions. Lightweight champion, pocket-sized freedom. Weighing in at under 249 grams, the Atom SE is a true featherweight. This not only simplifies travel and storage but also exempts it from registration requirements in many regions, making it ideal for spontaneous adventures. Folded neatly, it fits snugly in your pocket, ready to capture life's moments from a unique perspective. Decent camera, everyday memories. While not boasting high-end specs, the Atom SE's camera holds its own for casual users. It shoots 4K video at 30 FPS and 12 megapixels photos, providing decent detail and clarity for capturing everyday scenes, landscapes, and personal milestones. Share your aerial adventures with friends and family on social media or create simple travel vlogs. Stable flight, beginner-friendly controls. The Atom SE prioritizes ease of use for beginners. Its GPS stabilization ensures smooth and even flight, even in moderate winds. Intuitive controls and the dedicated return-to-home function grant peace of mind, allowing you to focus on composing shots and enjoying the experience. Extend your exploration. Fly longer, explore more. The Atom SE boasts a respectable 31-minute flight time per battery, letting you capture extended sequences and cover wider areas. With 2 batteries included in the Fly More combo, you can enjoy up to 62 minutes of total flight time, maximizing your aerial adventures. If you're a first-time drone user or someone seeking a casual aerial photography experience without breaking the bank, the Penic Atom SE is a solid choice. Its lightweight design, beginner-friendly controls, and decent camera quality make it an excellent starting point. Remember, its limitations lie in sensor size and video resolution compared to high-end models. However, for capturing everyday moments and igniting your passion for aerial exploration, the Atom SE offers an affordable and enjoyable entry into the world of drones. DJI Mini 3 Pro. The DJI Mini 3 Pro defies expectations. This ultra-lightweight drone, weighing a mere 249 grams, packs a powerful punch, making it ideal for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Don't underestimate the Mini 3 Pro's camera. It boasts a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, significantly larger than competitors in its weight class. This translates to exceptional image quality with vivid colors and impressive low-light performance. Capture stunning 4K HDR footage or crisp 150 megabits per second videos, perfect for creating share-worthy content. Despite its diminutive size, the Mini 3 Pro boasts an impressive 34-minute flight time. The Mini 3 Pro prioritizes safety without compromising control. Its advanced tri-directional obstacle sensing system ensures smooth and collision-free flights, giving you peace of mind while you focus on capturing the perfect shot. Plus, its lightweight design falls under the 250 grams weight limit in many regions, freeing you from complex registration processes. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is a compelling choice for anyone seeking a balance of portability, performance, and affordability. Its exceptional camera quality, extended flight time, and intelligent features make it a versatile tool for capturing stunning aerials. While lacking some advanced features of heavier models, its lightweight design and ease of use make it a perfect companion for everyday adventures and creative endeavors.